Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Webflow and design a responsive landing page, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open a web browser and go to the Webflow website. Once the site loads, click on the Sign Up button in the upper right corner. Fill in your email address and create a strong password. Click Get Started to create your account. After your account is set up, log into Webflow. You will be directed to your Webflow dashboard. To start a new project, click on the New Project button. Browse through the available templates or select a blank canvas to start from scratch. If you choose a template, click on it and then click Choose this template. For a blank project, on the left side, you have the Elements panel. Drag and drop elements like sections, containers, and div blocks onto the canvas. Use the Settings panel on the right to customize each element. To design your landing page, focus on creating a hero section first. Add a section and adjust its height using the Settings panel. Then, add a container within that section. Inside the container, add a heading and a paragraph block. Customize the text by changing the font, size, and color in the typography settings. Next, add a call to action button beneath the text. Select the button and edit its text to reflect your desired action. Style the button by changing its background color, border, and hover states. To ensure your page is responsive, switch between desktop, tablet, and mobile views. Adjust the layout and styling for each view as needed. Continue building additional sections for features, testimonials, and a footer. In each section, maintain consistent styling for elements like headings and buttons. Once all sections are in place, preview the landing page by clicking the eye icon at the top. Make any necessary adjustments based on how it looks in preview mode. When you are satisfied with your design, click on the Publish button. Choose a domain name for your landing page. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.